Can be anything, you judge yourself that I've not been competent enough or I cannot manage it.
So what makes you in first place say I am not competent enough or I will not be able to manage it?
Maybe your previous experience has been, you've not been able to push so much.
Were you the only reason who was not able to push it so much, or there were certain other reasons also? Situational, circumstantial,
Yeah.
or exclusively you?
No, there would be many factors, I guess, in the play, maybe the situation at that time or some other priority at that time.
Right, here you are. So you said there must be something other which was more important or prior to that.
Yeah.
That could have proved the reason that it didn't happen, right?
Right.
Situation.
Okay.
Maybe situations were not conducive, that whatever you wanted to do, you were
Yeah.
not able to do at that particular time the way you wanted to.
Okay.
And all this you are taking on yourself, that it was because of you, but you have just now mentioned something else also. How do you think about it? Was it exclusively you?
No, when I think of it now, then I would definitely say there were other factors. It was just not me, but other things as well.
Yeah. But that is our regular habit. Whenever there is any crisis situation or something and we have some responsibilities,
Yeah.
irrespective of any situation, we are in the habit of that we label ourselves.